Sarah, did you hear that Noodle's office got vandalized?
What? It did?
Not only that, books and DVDs were scattered everywhere. Even her chair was broken.
Oh no.
Do you want to know what the note said?
Let's hear it.
Not too big, not too small. This one's just right. What does that mean?
Well, I think as Girl Scouts, we need to examine that handwriting and figure out who did it.
Good idea. Let's
On
see.
the top of the screen, you will see our suspect's handwriting. Below, there are 3 different samples from suspect A, B, and C. Let's look at the different handwriting samples and look for different characteristics that we see in our graffiti. Let's first look for the form. Does it have a shape or a slant or some kind of curve to any of the letters? Next, let's look at the lines. How thick are those lines? Are they made by a pen or a pencil? Next, we'll look at the arrangement. Are the letters spaced out or are they very close together? And lastly, we'll look at the content. Is anything spelled wrong? Is there wrong grammar? Or are there punctuation marks where there shouldn't be? Now, who do you think vandalized Noodle's office? Was it suspect A, suspect B, or suspect C? Every fingerprint is unique, but there are certain patterns that can be observed which many prints have in common. Interestingly, even fingerprints from the same person can be different finger to finger. On the top left, you'll see Sarah's left hand fingerprints, and on the top right, you'll see Kaylee's right hand. Below that, you'll see 3 different fingerprint samples, and those have the 3 main class structures. The arch, which has lines that start on one side and rise and exit on the other side of the print, kind of looking like a hill. The next is the loop. Here you have lines that enter and exit on the same side of the print. They kind of look like an upside down U. Then you have the whorls, which are circles that spiral and do not exit on either side of the print. They look a lot like a bullseye. Which do you think Sarah's and Kaylee's match best? And then which do you think yours match best?